natutuwa po kami nakakasama namin kayo sa araw na ito. San Sebastian, laban sa Ateneo. Roses, tusok na tusok.
This time, once again, going to the same spot, pero ito, palo na. Diba kanina, dalawang power tips.
Tinapik ni Jem Ferrer si Roses. Ay, nice shot. Parang sa badminton, ano, yung in-acknowledge mo yung bumalakpak ka sa racket mo, parang sa tennis, ganun din. Oh,
may appreciation.
Gusto ko naman sa badminton, pag tinamami isa ng mali, yung sorry.
Oh, dapat naman.
Ako laging nadadali nung, dami nagsosorry sa akin.
Kaya pala alam na alam mo.
Yung aking Wednesday group.
Ako rin. Tuesday, Thursday
Tuesday
group
ka ba?
ko yan.
Oh!
Crisostomo. Wanted to be an ASCAL for a moment. Yeah. San Sebastian, 10 attack points so far. Ateneo with 7. Roses, 2 attack points. Gawin mo na yung tatlong attack points yan. And Valdez, the same number.
Gusto ko ito si Tricia Crisostomo. Ganda ng movement.
Ang gusto ko malaman, magkapatid ba to? Tsaka si Crisostomo na libero.
Takbo rin na.
Diba?
Ikaw ang bata rito eh.
Kung ako magja-judge, mukhang magkapatid. Magkamukha eh.
Happy childhood yan, sigurado. Isang katerbang nag-volleyball na gana. Wala naman nangyayari, may bumubusina, hindi naman kailangan. Parang traffic sa Manila.
Hindi kaya si Rina yun, nadapat na pindutan.
Malamang, kasi yung buzzer dito, yung nag-10 kanina pa eh.
Pinagmadali mo, nadapat na pindot ang buzzer.
Siya yung bata eh. Samantala, focus on the score, 19-17. We'd like to remind you, it's fun family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Ano sabi ni Rina, sir?
Approve, di magkapatid nga. Younger sister na
yung
very cute libero. Forever nang yang yata itong libero ng San Sebastian.
Si May.
Si May, Pero alam nating matapang yan.
Hindi umatras sa bola yan. This is not a laughing matter. San Sebastian is breathing down the neck of Ateneo. Uy is in. Labiano is out. Clint Malaso has also had time coaching Ateneo when the situation calls for it. Nice serve.
Nice sure serve from Uy.
Valdez.
And Valdez, so much angle on that hit.
Matawa si Roger Guerrero. Sumenya si Alyssa. Parang tampal. Natampal niya yung bola.
May pagka-miss-hit.
Hindi mga ganun siya sa mukha eh. Di ba? Nakita ko yung senyas na yun.
What a time for that ace to come. Uy, with that ace.
Should be an interesting time out with Roger Guerrero. Time to listen into the Lady Eagles.
Bago sila nakikipagsabayan tayo. Meron tayong ataking ginagawa. Sinasabayan nyo yung laro nila. Magsiservice siya, katunganga lang kayo dito sa likod. Reservice yan, lahat umaba. Kaya sumabit siya kayo, hindi. Dapat inaapakan ninyo. Hindi yung nagugulat kayo, huwag sumabit. Kundi sana kung first time may sumabit sa service. Kung yung sayangin, huwag lamang tayo ng dalawa. Tapos nakikipag-isahan lang kayo sa kanila.
And I'm looking at Jem Ferrer. I wonder what she's thinking right now. Am I going to toss it the other side?
Mukhang may signal kay Alyssa.
Will I shuffle or give Alyssa another chance? She gave Alyssa another chance.
Crisostomo. Taking that one.
Macro stab. Jeng Wali. Always fun to say that name. Valdez.
And Alyssa Valdez once again going to the middle portion of the back row. At the back row.
There's a fan at the back here who is dying when Alyssa Valdez goes for the ball.
Nagwawala ba?
Kinikilig. Jeng. Well done. I miss that somersault na ginawa ni Jem Ferrer. I miss doing that. Not that I did it very well, but I just miss it. Now when I do that...
I don't want to see you trying that now.
Not now. And Maki Puelo says if it's less than 5 pesos, leave it alone.
Great save.
Well done at the net. Jem with good support. Valdez goes to Kaing Len. Wali. What a save.
Great dig by Lazaro.
Kainglet doesn't want to waste it. Wally resource to a free ball.
Free ball now.
Ganda magbigay ng first ball.
And Eliza Valdez, not enough power for that push. Sayang.
Yeah.
Ang ganda eh. Alam ko kung saan niya gustong dalhin. Wala talagang tao this side of San Sebastian. Pero
I love watching Lazaro give that first ball to the setter. Just so calm. It's unfortunate they wasted the point. What? San Sebastian capitalizing on the errors. Let's listen.
Masyado meron dito. Paano muna tayo na eh? Kaya mo namang paluan eh. Laglag mo kasi pababa na ganyan, hindi pataas eh. Paano malalagpas na din yan? Yes naman tayo dyan, Phil. Layo ka sa net. Paano mo din sa dulo? Kasi magpapagpapagpapag mo sa dulo.
With no frills, not being distracted by anything. And look at Barbano.
twice nangyari at a crucial stage, di ba? Kanina kay Uy, and ngayon naman si Barbano.
What can you do, ano? Wala. Barbano. Oh, long this time.
Lazaro letting that go. Good decision.
Life evening up, ah. (24-21). In a way, si Rachel senior sa mga ito eh, no? Kasi she won her championship. Ateneo was in the Final Four but wasn't as strong as it is now. Oh, nangyayari doon.
Free ball now given to Ateneo.
Kainglet trying to pounce on it. Wally punches it out.
That went wide. Zeng Boli.
Nice coaching move by Clint Malaso to ice Ateneo.
Sostomo, the setter. 5 excellent sets so far. Jem Ferrer with 8.
Of course, if you're watching volleyball for the first time, no more side out. You score each time an error is committed by the other side or when you score in your offense. Malyari gets to it. Wally drops it. Oh! And Ateneo is out of sorts and out of reach. Kainglet with a valiant try. But San Sebastian takes the first set, 25-22. Watch this. I think this is the serve that just sailed down. Back in a moment.